पाकिस्तान के यौम आज़ादी के मौका पर कनाडा में रहने वाले तमाम ओवरसीज़ पाकिस्तानियों को और ख़ुसूसन टोरंटो में रहने वाले ओवरसीज़ पाकिस्तानियों को यौम आज़ादी की मुबारकबाद पेश करता हूँ।
I'm delighted to be here with my council colleagues to celebrate Pakistan Independence Day here at the city of Vaughan. This is the very first time that we have done this event here at Vaughan City Hall in our beautiful courtyard. Hundreds and hundreds of people are here to celebrate all of the incredible contributions that the Pakistani community has made to our city, to our province, and to our country. I'm really happy we're doing this again for the very first time at Vaughan City Hall. Pakistan Zindabad.
आज सेनेटर दिनेश कुमार यहाँ में आज टोरंटो में 14 अगस्त की तकरीब में यहाँ अपनी कम्युनिटी पाकिस्तान कम्युनिटी को देखकर बड़ा खुश हुआ और जिस जोश और वलवले से उन्होंने यौम आज़ादी मनाई है, यकीन जानो मेरा दिल बाग बार हो गया है। और मैं समझता हूँ कि यहाँ के जितने भी हमारे लोग हैं टोरंटो में पाकिस्तानी, उनके दिल पाकिस्तान के साथ धड़कते हैं और मैं उन्हें अपनी तरफ से सेनेट ऑफ पाकिस्तान की तरफ से सलाम पेश करता हूँ।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाह। आज हमारे लिए बड़ा खुशी का मौका है कि सिटी ऑफ वॉन में हम पाकिस्तान के यौम आज़ादी को मनाने के लिए इकट्ठे हुए हैं। मैं मेयर ऑफ वॉन और कौंसिल का ममनून हूँ कि उन्होंने हमारे पाकिस्तानियों के लिए ये तकरीब मुनक़्क़द की है। अल्लाह ताला वॉन सिटी को भी बरकत अता फरमाए और पाकिस्तान को हकीकी आज़ादी अता फरमाए। आमीन।
मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि आज हम सब पाकिस्तानियों के लिए बहुत बड़ा दिन है कि आज ही के दिन पाकिस्तान को आज़ादी मिली थी 1947 और उस वक्त से हम लोग हर साल ये जश्न मनाते हैं। और इस दफ़ा मेरे ख्याल है, ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा एंथुसिज़म के साथ और इस रिज़ॉल्व के साथ ये जश्न मनाया जा रहा है। सेलिब्रेशन है पाकिस्तान इंडिपेंडेंस डे की, ताकि हम आज ये अहद करें कि हम पाकिस्तान के लिए कुछ काम करेंगे, पाकिस्तान की सॉलिडारिटी के लिए, पाकिस्तान की प्रोग्रेसिव के लिए। तो इंशाल्लाह ये बड़ी अच्छी बात है और तमाम पाकिस्तानियों को आज पाकिस्तान की आज़ादी में बहुत बहुत मुबारक।
जी, इस वक्त हम वॉन के सिटी हॉल में मौजूद हैं, जहां कौंसल जनरल पाकिस्तान और वॉन के जो मेयर हैं डुका मिलके आज जश्न आज़ादी मना रहे हैं। इस वक्त बहुत बड़ी पाकिस्तानियों की तादाद यहाँ पर मौजूद है जो कि आज के जश्न आज़ादी में शरीक होने आई है। अभी कुछ देर में फ्लैग रेजिंग सेरेमनी है, यकीनन हमारे शोएब भाई आपको ज़रूर दिखाएंगे। और हम सब की तरफ से आप तमाम पाकिस्तानियों को आज का जश्न आज़ादी मुबारक।
Congratulations Pakistan on the 77th anniversary. My heartfelt feelings for congratulations to the whole of the nation of Pakistan. Thank you.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। मेरा नाम फरहान है और ये
अस्सलाम वालेकुम हरून सिद्दीकी
और हम टोरंटो पुलिस के साथ काम करते हैं। हम मुस्लिम लिएज़ॉन ऑफिसर्स हैं और आज हम यहाँ पर पाकिस्तान 77th इंडिपेंडेंस डे को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए आए हैं। यहाँ पर फ्लैग रेजिंग सेरेमनी हुई थी और we're just very happy और पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद।
Director of Recreation Services. I'm so pleased to welcome you to the City of Vaughan's inaugural Pakistan Independence Day event. Before we continue, let's pause to hear the City of Vaughan's land acknowledgement and public announcement, honoring the richness of Pakistan's art, heritage, and the vibrant culture. This occasion also provides an opportunity to express our gratitude to the Pakistan community for their significant and positive contributions to our city, country, and the world. At this time, it is my distinct pleasure to welcome His Worship, Mayor Stephen Del Duca, to provide his remarks.
Well, good afternoon, everyone. How's everyone doing? You know, I realized shortly after I arrived in the courtyard that when we do this event next year, I have to think in advance a little bit more than I did today because I'm not wearing any green. And so for sure next year, I will definitely have green that I will be very proudly wearing to celebrate Pakistan Independence Day. I have to tell you, I'm so delighted to see such a phenomenal turnout here today. As Anna mentioned just a moment ago, this is the very first time that we have ever hosted this event here at Vaughan City Hall. And like all of the other things that you do for the very first time, you're never 100% sure how it's going to turn out. So I was talking with my staff earlier today. I said, I know how many people have registered in advance for today's event, but again, you never know for sure. And then when I came downstairs from my office and I walked out into the courtyard and I saw so many familiar faces, so many great friends, and so many incredible people here to demonstrate exceptional pride, as the Pakistani community absolutely should feel that sense of pride. It was such an honor for me to see all of you. So I just wanted to begin by thanking all of you for being here today and for taking the time to mark this incredibly important occasion. I also want to pay tribute, of course, and to welcome to Vaughan City Hall the Consul General Bajwa. It is such an honor for me to have the chance to see you, and I want to thank you not just for being here, but I also want to thank you for working, you and your entire team working so closely with us to help us and to agree to have us host this event. I've been to this event many times in my political career, including at the Consulate a number of years ago. For those who don't know, the Consulate's actually here in the city of Vaughan, in the Concord area. But to be able to host this event here today with your support and, of course, your attendance is an incredible honor for me and everybody on our city council. So thank you to the Consul General for all of your support and for being here. There are a number of other elected officials that I'd like to acknowledge, starting with my colleagues from council, local and regional councillor Mario Ferry, who is here with us, local and regional councillor Gina Rosati, local and regional councillor Mario Racco, Ward 5 councillor Gila Marto, Ward 4 councillor Chris Ainsworth, and Ward 2 councillor Adriano Volpentesta. That's almost the entirety of council. We actually technically have quorum here. So if anyone needs a bylaw passed, talk to me. No, I'm just joking. Don't tell the clerk's office that I mentioned I could pass a bylaw down here today. I don't want to get into any more trouble than I get into on a regular basis. I'm also really thrilled that there are members who hold elected office from other levels of government who have honored us with their presence here today. Let's take, and I'm going to do my best to make sure I don't miss anyone. So many of you are familiar faces to me and good friends, so I'm going to hopefully not miss anyone. But we have Member of Parliament Salma Zahid here with us from Scarborough Centre. Member of Parliament Ikra Khalid from Mississauga Era Mills. Thank you, Ikra. We have Minister Natalia Kusandova Bashta, Minister of Long-Term Care and MPP from Mississauga Centre. We have Stephanie Bowman, MPP from Don Valley West, here with us. I think I just saw MPP Sharif Sabawi, who is here with us as well, MPP from Mississauga. I don't think that I've missed any MPPs or MPs, but I know that we have one of our school trustees from the area, Nadeem Mahmood, with us is here as well. Nadeem, thank you very much for being here and for all of your help. And just a couple of other people I do want to highlight. First of all, you might have noticed that we have we have York Region police officers and Toronto police officers here with us today. Every single time I get to a podium and I have a microphone in front of me, anywhere in the city of Vaughan, or for that matter, anywhere that I go, I always point out the fact that we are so blessed in this city, in this region, because we have extraordinary women and men, whether that's our police services or Vaughan Fire and Rescue, or our paramedic services here in York Region. Our first responders here in Vaughan and in York Region are literally second to none. So I want to publicly thank Superintendent Graham Beverly from 4 District and Deputy Chief Mike Doyle from Vaughan Fire and Rescue Service and all of the other women and men in uniform who keep us safe every single day. I also do want to acknowledge my very dear friend, Mr. Lalkan Malik from the Ahmadiyya Muslim community, who is a dear friend and strong supporter of our community and has been for so many years. And my good friend Mazhar Shafiq. Maz, where are you? There's Mazhar Shafiq. Maz, as always, for the many, many years that I've known you, you've always been an extraordinary resource and dear friend, and you've always been helpful. And I'm very, very grateful for that. Thank you very much. And I just realized I forgot Councillor Natalie Hart from Mississauga. Councillor Natalie Hart from Mississauga, another dear friend, thank you for being here. I hope I haven't missed anyone. If I have, I apologize, but we'll make sure that we do acknowledge you, Anadara. I know there are other members of the Consular Corps who are here who will be acknowledged in just a moment. I just want to finish up my remarks here today to say, when I first became mayor of the city in 2022, one of the things that it was very important for me to do, and I've said this many times, is to make sure that people from across our community, regardless of when they arrived in this country, or like me, if you were blessed to be born in this country, regardless of where you have come from or what your background might be, that this building, this property, this courtyard, our city hall, needed to be a city hall at which every single resident of Vaughan felt safe and felt comfortable and felt was truly accessible at all times. This building, this city hall, it does not belong to me. And it doesn't belong to members of council or our city staff, though we do have the honor of working here on your behalf. This is a building that belongs to all of you. And so from the very beginning of this term of council, we together as a council have worked very hard to make sure that these doors are open, that we continue to celebrate all of the extraordinary energy and diversity that we are blessed to have in this city. And so for us to be able to do this event for the very first time, I never get tired of saying that, for the very first time to celebrate the 77th Pakistan Independence Day is something that really, really means a lot to me personally. Many in this audience will know that in a previous part of my political journey, I came to be extraordinarily fortunate. I was blessed to have established very strong relations with Pakistani Canadians from across this province. That was something that was very important to me. You can clap for that because it is something that is still very important to me. And I just want you to know publicly that while I might be serving in a different role, my affection, my genuine affection for the Pakistani community has in no way, shape, or form diminished. I have seen firsthand what you have been able to accomplish, often under very difficult circumstances, in every walk of life. Having come to this country, or again, being born in this country, and have risen through the ranks in every single industry and in every single capacity, always striving for exceptionality and achieving that in so many different walks of life is something truly remarkable. So I want you to know, again, this is a city hall that belongs to every single one of us and every single one of you. I want you to feel welcome here, and I know you already do, but it's important for me as mayor to say that. And I'm also really excited to announce here publicly that very early in the new year, in January, along with some council colleagues, I will be conducting an economic mission, which will include a stop in Pakistan. And that will be my very first time in Pakistan. And I am so looking forward to that opportunity. So again, thank you for being here today. Thank you for enriching and helping to strengthen in every turn and every way the strong fabric that we have already built here in the city of Vaughan. You make me so proud to be the mayor of this community and to be a friend to the Pakistani community here in Vaughan and beyond. Let's celebrate Pakistan Independence Day. Let's celebrate everything that you've accomplished and will continue to accomplish. Let's be proud of what we've achieved here in the city of Vaughan. Pakistan Zindabad. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mayor Del Duca, for your meaningful remarks. I would like to acknowledge a few additional dignitaries that have joined us today. Mr. Danesh Kumar, Senator of Pakistan, the Consul General of Japan, the U.S. Consulate General, the Consul General of Turkey, the Acting Consul General of Korea, the Acting Consul General of South Africa. And representing the city's administration, we have Gus Michaels, Deputy City Manager of Community Services, and Michael Coronius, Deputy City Manager, Chief Financial Officer, and City Treasurer. Thank you so much for joining us as well. Down in Toronto, Mr. Khalil Ahmed Bajwa, to extend his greetings.
Pakistan! Pakistan!
Honorable guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is customary to read out the messages from the President of Pakistan and the Prime Minister of Pakistan on the occasion of Independence Day each year. But before I go for the messages, of the leadership, I would take this opportunity, first of all, to express my sincere thanks and gratitude to His Worship Stephen Del Duca, the Mayor of Vaughan, and honorable members of the City Council who have not only provided this opportunity today to organize this function, but his entire team has been engaged tirelessly along with my members of team in the Consulate General of Pakistan to organize this beautiful event today. I'm really thankful to the mayor and the members of the city council for this generous gesture. I would like to acknowledge there are so many dignitaries here. We welcome them all, and I'm thankful to all of them. But just to mention few names, we are honored to have Senator Danesh Kumar from Pakistan. He happens to be on a visit to Canada these days, and when I came to know that he's around in the city, I got in touch with him, and we are really grateful to you, sir, that you have joined us in this event today. We have among us the honorable members of parliament, Salma Zahid Saiba, Ikra Khalid Saiba. We are also having the members of provincial parliament, Mr. Sharif Sabawi is here. Thank you very much. And we have Honorable Stephanie Bowman, and then we have Honorable Natalia Kosendova. We are thankful to all of you for joining us this afternoon. We have the Deputy Mayor of Whitby, Honorable Maliha Shahid. Among the diplomatic corps, we are honored to have the Consul General of Turkey, Mr. Can Yoldaş, here with us. We are also thankful to the Acting Consul General of Korea, Mr. Takehan Kwon, and the representative from the U.S. Consulate General, Ms. Melia Ungsen, and we have also the representation from the Consulate General of Japan, Mr. Matsui Masahiro, and also from present among us is Acting Consul General of South Africa. We are thankful to all of you that you have joined us during this moment of celebration. Please pardon me if I forget, some names, but at the end, I would also be, extending my thanks to all the ladies and gentlemen who are present here in large numbers. Today being a working day, we are really thankful that you have taken out time from your busy schedule and joined us this morning to celebrate the Independence Day of Pakistan. Respected audience, before I conclude, taking this opportunity, I would like to congratulate the entire Pakistani nation and the overseas diaspora about the laurels won by a Pakistani athlete, Arshad Nadeem, who has won the gold medal in the recent Olympics in Paris. Not only this, he has set a new world record in the history of Olympics in the javelin throw event. So the whole nation is celebrating this success, and I congratulate you all on this achievement and laurel won by a Pakistani athlete. I thank you all.
Thank you.